Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add and customize a navigation menu in WordPress. Whether you are using a blog theme or classic theme, I have got you covered. Let's get started. A navigation menu is the top bar or list of links you usually see on websites. It helps visitors browse your site like going from home to about, blog, or contact. WordPress lets you create multiple menus, add pages, posts, categories, and even custom links. If you are using a classic theme, go to WordPress dashboard. Then in the left side menu, click Appearance, then, then Menu. From here, Menus option. Now click Create a new menu, give it a name like Main Menu. Click Create Menu. Then from the left panel, add pages, posts, categories, or custom links like external URLs. Click Add to Menu and drag items to record them. Use the indent feature to create drop downs. Next, scroll down to menu settings and check where you want the menu to appear. Options might include primary, footer, menu, mobile. Choose primary for your main menu, then click Save Menu. Now visit your site. Your navigation menu should be live. If you are using a blog theme like 2024, menus are managed through the editor. Go to Editor, then select Templates, then Header. Click inside navigation blocks. You can select an existing menu or create new menu. Use the plus button to link the home blog content, categories. You can rearrange links and add drop downs by nesting blocks. When done, click Save. Let's style the menu to match your brand. In the block theme editor, click the navigation block, then change text color, select it, and click highlight, then choose color from here like red, also background color like white. That's it. For classic themes, go to Appearance from your WordPress dashboard. Then Customize, then Menus or Header. Here you control font size, spacing, menu layout. Want more control? Use a plugin like Elementor WP Mega Menu or Max Mega Menu for advanced styles and mega menus. Want to spice things up with icons or social link? Again, go to editor, choose your website, then customize. In the navigation menu, select navigation, then click plus icon. Scroll down and select social icon, then drag it here and plus icon. Add link from here and choose transform to details, then write summary here. And that's it. You have successfully added a navigation menu in WordPress 2025, whether you are using the classic method or block editor. Final tips: keep menus short and clean, 5 to 7 links maximum. Use drop-downs for organization. Always check mobile responsiveness and test all links before publishing. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment what WordPress tutorial you want next. Maybe mega menus or sticky headers, right? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.